In this tutorial, I'll show you how to configure an automatic trailing stop with NinjaTrader. By the end, you'll have an ATM strategy set up so your stop loss automatically trails the market once your profit conditions are met. First, open a chart or a Super DOM window in NinjaTrader so you can access your ATM settings. On the lower area or the right side panel, click the ATM strategy drop-down menu and select Custom. This opens the Custom ATM Strategy setup where you'll define how your orders are managed. Nothing is placed yet. You're only configuring the template. Next, define your initial parameters. In the Stop Loss field, type the number of ticks you want for your protective stop. In the Profit Target field, type the number of ticks for your target. A tick is the smallest price movement for your instrument. Setting these now gives your trade a starting stop and target before the trailing logic takes over. If you're unsure, enter values you're comfortable with. You can update them before placing a trade. Now access the Auto Trail settings. Find the drop-down menu labeled Stop Strategy and click it. From the list, select Custom. This opens the stop strategy configuration for your ATM, where you control how the stop will behave once the market moves in your favor. From here, configure the Auto Trail properties. In the submenu, click the Auto Trail option to open its parameters. Start with Profit Trigger. Enter the number of ticks of unrealized profit your position must reach before the trailing stop activates. Until price hits this trigger, your initial stop will stay where you set it. Next, set Stop Loss, sometimes shown as distance. This is how close, in ticks, the stop will follow behind the current price once trailing begins. A smaller distance keeps the stop tighter to price. A larger distance allows more room for normal movement. Finally, set frequency. This controls how often the trailing stop updates. For example, using 1 updates the stop every tick, while larger numbers update less frequently. If you want the stop to respond quickly, choose a smaller number. Review each field carefully so the stop behaves exactly as you expect when the market moves. Once that's done, save and apply your settings. Click OK on the Auto Trail submenu to confirm the trailing parameters. Then click OK again to close the stop strategy settings. If you want to reuse this configuration, name your ATM strategy and save it so it's available from the drop-down in the future. Keep the name clear and descriptive so you can recognize it at a glance. Finally, make sure your new ATM strategy is selected in the ATM drop-down before placing your trade. Selecting it here ensures that when you submit an order, NinjaTrader will apply your initial stop and target and then automatically switch to your trailing rules when the profit trigger is reached. At this point, your setup is complete. You open the ATM strategy menu, defined your stop loss and profit target in ticks, selected a custom stop strategy, configured Auto Trail with a profit trigger, stop distance, and update frequency, and saved and selected the ATM. When you place a trade with this ATM active, your stop will remain at the initial level until price reaches the profit trigger. After that, your automatic trailing stop will follow price according to the distance and frequency you set, helping lock in gains while the market moves. Your automatic trailing stop with NinjaTrader is now configured and ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.